Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an OffRoad Outlaw's video. Yeah, this is the start of a new series, and I do have a Discord for this. I'll link it down in the description below, if I don't forget. And I have two mud trucks, this Ford, and this, and that's it. This is a tow rig, the F250 with the dollies and 6-inch exhaust tips that actually put out so much coal it blocks out the trailer. But yeah, this is the drag truck, this is the bogging truck, and this is just tow rig. I do have another truck. It's a secret truck. It's another account, which I'm gonna show you all in the next video. So if you guys are interested in joining these mud races and dirt races, make sure to join the Discord below. There is some rules, there is restrictions to what you can actually have in this game, and if you guys do have the make sure, if you guys do want to be part of it, make sure to download the game, join the Discord, yada yada yada, all that stuff, and smash the like button. I'm not gonna tell you to subscribe because I don't want you guys to feel like I'm that YouTuber, and I want you guys to subscribe whenever you think the content's good. Tell me when the content's bad, you know? Like, not in a hateful way, just tell me what I can fix and all that stuff, you know? So, yeah, let's get on with this video, and I'll join God Gaming in the multiplayer session right now. And yeah, we're in the multiplayer session. This is our track. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the hauling and stuff, but this is how we're gonna be hauling vehicles. You have to have a tow rig and a trailer and just load your truck on it. Your tires can go over it, but not too over to the point where it's like on dragging on the side. And yeah, you don't have to have exact trucks like us. You can make whatever you want. But yeah, your truck has to be realistic. So I'm not gonna bore you with towing, so see you guys when we get there. Okay, so I kind of bored you on with the hauling, but it's kind of quick. The map's kind of small. So, let's see the unhauling. This is my truck. I don't have a name for it yet. It's not I'm basically copying someone else's design, but it's fine. They don't know that yet. I don't have to even watch my channel, so it's fine. This is dirty. It didn't get dirty because of the grass. So that's not possible. So I think round one is gonna be, I think that Chevy, which is this Chevy. So let's get started. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. $100 across the line. That ain't something I don't know what it is. Alright, round 2 is the last round. We're gonna have more rounds as soon as we get more numbers. So, yeah. No. Oh, see, we have like 2 Chevys here. That Chevy, how you can have the first one. It was kind of it's pretty slow. I think it's pretty fast. That truck is pretty fast too. I don't know if it's competition. Hopefully it actually does something. Can you not do that? Thank you. Line up. Come 3, 2, 1, go. That's gonna be the end of the episode right here. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to smack the like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.